Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. Foremost, let me thank you all for visiting my video presentation. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. My name is Ridho Ferdian Sabulo. My NPM is 24171015056. I am from Mechanical Engineering Department at Budi Utomo Institute of Technology. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is safety precaution. My talk is particularly relevant to those of you who are working in mechanical engineering field. In my presentation, I will focus on three major issues in basics precaution should be taken. There are before starting work, during work, and finishing work. Do not worry about taking notes. If put all the relevant information on a handout for you at the end of my talk, I can email the PowerPoint presentation to anyone who would like it. Alright, buddy. My first point concerns safety precaution. Before we starting the work of first, when you arrive the workplace, you should smile, say hello, and greet to all the employees you meet. What should the above culture be implemented? Because it can foster a sense of togetherness, employees, whether working together or separately. Second, make sure to use the fingerprint scanner for attendance as distract our presence at the workplace. If we don't clock in using the fingerprint scanner, our attendance cannot be checked by the supervisor and management. Third, then keep your personal item in your designated employee locker. Make sure not to bring unnecessary item to the workplace. And don't forget to lock your personal locker after we quickly move on to point four, which is fourth, once our personal item are stored at the work area to attend a briefing with your supervisor, leader, foreman, and teammates. This is necessary to enhance togetherness and awareness of our shared work environment, as there will be information provided about the activities of the previous shift, whether everything went well or there were any issues. Fifth, after the briefing, we pray with each other believer. Then I will go on to highlight what I see the main point of during work. First, we must ensure that our personal protective equipment is worn or fitted according to the specified work instruction, as seen in this slide image. There are safety helmets, safety shoes, work uniform, gloves, gloves, and masks. Second, we work on the work and according to order given the foreman of each squad. Third, make sure you understand and are aware of the symbol related to things that require attention and caution. Because if you don't understand, it could lead to an accident at work, affecting both yourself and others. Fourth, before working on the vehicle that we want to service, we need to check the working environment, the condition of the equipment, and make sure it is functioning properly. Then we do it according to the work order that has been given. Fifth, after the work on the vehicle according to the specific operational standard, then we ask the foreman to inspect in and proceed to the next finishing process. Finally, I would like to explain the finishing work. First, after finishing work, we make sure to return the work tools and safety tools on the work desk as before. Then we have to do 5S or clean the workplace that we have been using all day so that is not ready to use the next day. Next, second, we go to the locker room to collect our personal item, make sure nothing is left behind and lock our personal locker. And last, number third, once everything is finished and organized, don't forget to clock out using the fingerprint scanner, then process to leave the workplace. If you have any question, don't be hesitant to ask by leaving your comment below or send your question into my email rido16.gulo@gmail.com. That's all can share regarding the safety precaution at PT Trimarga Sakti. I apologize if there were any mistake in my words. Thank you and good evening.